Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Scale Drawings Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of scale drawings, and we just have a few questions to answer. This particular topic, we've had a lesson on this earlier, and if you're not sure what to do with these particular questions, then on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Basically, in the lesson we saw that scale drawings are used by a number of professional people such as architects, engineers, town planners, and before the real object is built, whatever the object may be, a drawing has to be created, and it's normally a much smaller drawing. It's on a smaller scale than the real object. So let's see what's required here. Represent each of the following scales in ratio form. So the first one. 1 centimetre is to 4 metres. So that's one way of representing a scale, but you can also eliminate the units and convert this just to a ratio with no units whatsoever. So remember the lesson we had on ratios, the units have to be the same, so we have to do a little conversion. So it's the same here when we're representing these two here as a ratio, right? So there's a ratio, we make a little conversion and then we eliminate the units. Number 3, the scale on a drawing of a farm is 1:5,000. If a shed is 4 centimetres from the house on the map, how far is the actual distance? Number 5, the scale on a drawing of a piece of land is 1:8,000. If a shed is 3.5 centimetres from the house on the map, how far is the actual distance? Now, over here we have a map, and this looks like some land. You've got some blocks of land perhaps, and some water, etc. If A and B are 9.5 centimetres apart on the map, how far apart are they in real life? Notice that's the scale we're given. That's the scale on the map. And then the distance from A to B on the actual map is 9.5 centimetres. So we have to find that distance in real life. So this video has given us a basic worksheet on scale drawings, and if you need any help, just click on the link on the next slide and it will show you how to do all the examples.